and welcome to this first lecture of this section on thought leadership in this course on excellence in digital marketing. So, in this section, what we will try and do is to give you an in depth understanding of how to provide thought leadership and the perspective related to that for adoption, for use, where appropriate to gain excellence in digital marketing. So, there are many things that you see here. First, we will talk about in these two lectures. There are two lectures in this. What is thought leadership and perspective? Define the thought leadership. Where is it appropriate? We will need to see for adoption and how to provide this thought leadership. And we will begin in this lecture by talking about what is thought leadership and perspective and where is it useful and appropriate to provide, right? So, what do you think? What is thought leadership and perspective? Any thoughts on thought leadership and perspective? You may have heard this word. Lots are going around in this new generation. So, any thoughts on what is thought leadership and perspective? So, thought leadership is about is a process. Yeah, it's first thing. It's a process. It's a way of doing things. And in that process, what you do is you create and share innovative thinking, so new thinking that people are not used to. And you could go back and see there were lot many thought leadership, right from Socrates to many of the Greek uh, thinkers as well as Indian thinkers who created and shared innovative thinking. Innovative thinking that defines the present, defines in the sense that starts creating a new present and it carves out or dictates a future. So it's a thinking that shapes the things of future that comes in. It defines the present, it dictates the future, and it is a useful process. So that's what the thought leadership is all about. So where is thought leadership appropriate then? If a thought leadership is about creating and sharing innovative thinking that defines present and shapes the future, where is it appropriate? Any thoughts on that? So the thought leadership is useful, especially in establishing yourself as a leader in your industry with respect to customers. Because ultimately, if you are in business, your foremost uh, and most important aspect of doing anything is to create value for customers. So thought leadership is appropriate if you can create a value for the customers. So what it does is, as you see from the right hand side, customers have some questions and some challenges. So what you do is you take those questions and challenges and you provide useful answers to the questions to the consumers and customers find that thought leadership and use it, and that so your prestige, your brand image, your usefulness to the customers and consumers goes up, because apart from providing the product and services, you are also providing a stream of thoughts, innovative thinking, and sharing with them that can solve their questions and challenges. And who doesn't have questions and challenges, especially the customers? So, this is where the thought leadership is appropriate. So, what do we do next? Having understood what is thought leadership and where is it appropriate, what do we do next? In the next, we will see how do we provide this thought leadership and perspective that is innovative, that can be shared with customers, and that customers find it useful in terms of answering some of the questions that they face or some of the challenges that they face. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on thought leadership. I hope you've got some good idea of what is thought leadership, which is useful and connected to business, and you'll be able to use that. I hope you're continuing to learn, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture.